Welcome to Get Fit, Get Active.
Get Fit, Get Active! How are you? Are you ready for another exciting session? We are going to do Get Fit, Get Active Dance Fusion. But it's only 7 minutes, so it's going to get you going. We've got some great music. Make sure that you like and subscribe, of course. Click the bell so you know whenever I go live and ever there's a new Get Fit, Get Active workout. My friends, we are a good way into this challenge now. How are you getting on? Please put a comment below, let me know. I love to read them all. Are you ready? Bit of dance fusion. Are you ready? Take a march. 1, 2, 3, tap. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, and tap. So again, nice and gentle, and tap. We are building up a little bit of a low impact routine for you. Walk forward, then tap. And again, walk forward, tap. Do it again. Now again, if you've got limited mobility, just have a march on the spot. Here we go. Now I want you to tap out for 2, left. And again, tap it out for 2. Now 2 steps to your right. Good, 2 left. 1 more. 2 back. 2 steps again. Here we go. 2. Now change. 2 steps right. Good, and left. 2. Do it again. 2 taps. Good, and change. And I can't wait to hear how you're getting on with all the rest of the program. Walk forward. Here it is. 1. Boom. Again. 1, 2, 3, and tap. 2 taps to the side. Out. Change. 2 steps across. 1 more. Double tap again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and change. Double tap. 2 steps across. Good. Now a single knee lift. 1. Do it again for 4. Now take a little shimmy to the right. Shimmy. And again, shimmy, shake. Again, let's go. Shimmy. Now really shake the shoulders. Good. 1 more. Shimmy, shake. Have a walk forward. 1, 2, 3, tap. Again, walk forward and tap. 2 taps to the right. Change. 2 steps right. 1 more. Now knee lift. 1. You're going to bring those knees forward. You're going to march back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. March back. 1. Shimmy to the right. Let's go. Shimmy. 1 more shimmy. Let's go with the kick. Just 1 more. We're building our routine. Walk forward. Let's go. Tap. Do it again. 1. 2 taps to the right. Yes. Change. 2 steps. 1 more. Knee lift. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk back. 1. Again, legs at knee. Good. Now walk back. You've got your shimmy shake to the right. Let's go. Shimmy. And again, shimmy. Step kick. Now shimmy. You've got a routine. From the top, here we go, walk forward. Now tap. And again, this is going to give you a buzz today for all the day. 2 taps. Now change. 2 steps across. Now back. Good. Knees. Good, walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step knee lift. Do, do. Walk back. Fabulous. Shimmy. Shimmy again. Step and kick. Now shimmy. From the top. Are you ready? Walk it. 1, 2, 3, and kick. Go again. Yay. 2 taps to the right. Now change. 2 steps to your right. Now left. Good. Knee lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now walk back. Good. Shimmy shake. kick. Shimmy. One more. I love this track, by the way. Walk forward. 1, 2, 3, and kick. Let's go again with a walk. Tap to the side, 2 taps. Now change. Double step. Now back. Step knee forward. 2, 3, 4. Walk back. Let's do that again. Knee forward. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. Good, now shimmy. Shimmy again. One more. Now kick. 1. Walk forward. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and kick. Good, come back. Now kick. 2 taps to the right. And it's a beautiful day as I'm recording this. Beautiful. One more. Let's go with the knees. Have a walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again with the knee. And we have another week of Get Fit, Get Actives. Shimmy. So you do 2 shimmies. Step kick. Shimmy again. I think you've got this routine now. Come on, now really sell it to me. Let's go. Walk. Now kick. Again. 1. Tap to the side. Change. 2 steps. Good. Knee lift. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk back. Knee lifts go again. Good, walk back. Now shimmy, shimmy. Shimmy again. One more. Now kick. 1. Good, now shimmy. Have we got time for one more? Come on, let's go, walk forward. 2. And again, we just a smidge over 7 minutes. Come on, we can do this. Let's go. Change. 2 steps to the right. Now left. Good, step knee. 4. Walk back. Good, knee lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now walk back. Lovely, shimmy. 2 more shimmies. 1 more. Good, step kick. And there's your shimmy. 1, last one, and march. Yay, we're there. Now, if you want to sandwich that between some of the other Get Fit, Get Actives, I will link to them. But make sure you leave a comment and let me know how you get on, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Remember to like and subscribe.